how to change the date format on iPhone. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. From here, we scroll down and tap on Date Format. From here, you can select a desired date format. So here, it can display year, month, and day. Or by default, it will display month, the day, and the year. So let's say if I select this option here, and if I go back into my say note, you can see it display the month, the day, and the year. So if I close the app and refresh it, so you need to close the actual app and reopen it. And if I open up Notes, you can see here now it will display the year, the month, and the day. So if I go back in here and make the changes, again, if you go back to the app, the change will not apply until you refresh the app. So we need to close and reopen the app, and the change will take effect. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.